Hey guys, Thomas here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 23 model 22 Bennington SX. Guys, this is a tri-tune with the SPS package. Again, it's a 22 SX. Beautiful boat. See, it's got the black paneling with the silver accent stripe. Beautiful boat, guys. Bear with me as we walk around to the back. Guys, this boat will be rigged with a Yamaha 150. Engine is in stock and ready to go. Also will have a ski tow bar, just not installed quite yet. Boarding the boat here on the rear, you'll see this is the quad bench layout with the benches in all four corners with the side-by-side captain's chairs. This boat has a ton of storage, guys. Storage underneath all your seats, so plenty of storage for all your gear. Does have the portable cup holders, plenty of spots for your beverage. Table in the bow with cup holders as well. Beautiful boat. Again, side-by-side captain's chairs, 10-foot bimini top. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see this boat does have the upgraded Rockford Fosgate stereo. Garmin striker floor with mechanical gauges on each side. Again, more cup holders, plenty of cup holders everywhere. Guys, we've got plenty of boats in stock. For more information, please visit our website or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location. Thank you for looking and have a great day.